Welcome back to a brand new video, and today I'm going to show you how to make a survival game on Roblox Studio. Now, before the video starts, if you're new to this channel and you like my content, you should probably subscribe, because at 7.5k subscribers I will do a game file giveaway for free, which is made by me, by the way. So you'll just have to download it, then click on the file and it will open Roblox Studio, because it's a ROBLOX file. So once you just click on it, it will open Roblox Studio with the game inside of it, so that's kind of nice. Also check my boy DevHawk, link in the description if you want to subscribe. Show him some love. He's a very nice guy and he always helps me, so yeah. But let's start with the video. So what we're gonna do first is we're basically gonna script an Adorny GUI. So basically, once you hover, for example, like an iron ore, it will say iron ore, click to break. So that's what we'll do right now. So let's create the GUI first. So let's create a part like this, cube. Transparency is 1, and if you don't have these two pages or tabs, click on these inside of the view tab. And in a billboard GUI, then put a text label inside of it. And now the billboard GUI, rename it to Adorny GUI. Make it always on top, the properties. Max distance to 25. And that's it. Now go to the text label, change the name to name label. Background transparency to 1. And then you can just customize it. Name. For now it's just gonna be name, but once we hover the item, it's just gonna say the name of the item. Don't worry about that. So yeah. I can duplicate this and call this information. Make the position to 25 here, maybe something like that. And click to break. Nice. So that's looking good. Maybe make a little smaller because it's a bit big. Nice. That looks awesome. So now put the Adorny GUI inside the replica storage and delete the part because we don't need it anymore. So wait, let me just check something on the recording. So now let's start coding, right? So let's start coding the Adorny GUI. So that's pretty easy to do. Go to start a GUI and add in a local script. Call this the Adorny GUI script, and you can start coding. So while before that, actually delete everything. Local player is equal to game.player local player. Local mouse equals player get mouse. I'm just gonna code or type the code, and you just gotta copy it or just type what I type. Also make sure that everything is correct. If you, for example, you see that capital G, if you put a lowercase g, it will not work. Okay, so make sure make sure. I'll show you the proof once we finish the code. So what we do, if mouse.target is equal to nil, then let's also do local GUI is equal to game get service webkit storage colon with a child Adoni GUI. So we're set with that. So if mouse.target is equal to nil, then GUI.parent is equal to game get service webkit storage. And the GUI.adorny is going to be nil. And do if mouse.target isn't equal to nil and mouse.target.parent.name is equals to breakables, you will see that in the future. You'll see what it does. Then mouse.target GUI.parent is equal to game where game. Oh my god, what am I doing? Wait, what am I? Okay, game dot workspace colon wait child GUIs. GUI.adorny is equal to mouse.target. And GUI colon wait child name label.text is equals to mouse.target name. So now we just gotta set up everything in the workspace. So insert a folder or two folders inside the workspace. One, you will call it GUIs. The second one will be called breakables. So now we won't need the actual OR. So let's go to the toolbox. I'm just gonna get an OR for this video. I know. Yeah, that will do. That looks nice. So let's take that. Maybe something more visible, cause am I just blind or I can't really? It's just kinda, I don't know. Like we kinda need to have just one mesh, unfortunately. So I'll try to find a model that only has one mesh. Maybe if I type iron ore. No, I think that one is good, yeah. Yeah, there's just so many parts. Okay, you know what? I have an idea. I'm gonna type crystal. And I'm gonna get this one. Oh, it looks sick. What the heck? Okay, it looks really good. Something like this, or maybe like the blue crystal. Nah, the previous one was better. So yeah, I'll just use that, guys, for this video. Gonna put it in a slate or a smooth plastic. I'm gonna make it a kind of iron color. Something. I think the iron looks like this. Like a kind of like a yellowish color. That's gonna be our ore. So that's pretty nice. Let's make it anchored and can collide. And we're good. Now rename this to just iron or iron ore, whatever you want. I'm gonna call this the iron ore. and put it in the breakables folder. Now go back to the script and let's copy that and change this over here to the not equal sign. So like instead of equal equal, it will be the isn't equal. To make that sign, if you're not on Mac, you need to do Alt and then the equal sign. If you're on Mac, I don't know. I have no clue. You'll have to figure it out. But just type this letter. And here it's just gonna be game get service ripk storage. And here's going to be nil. And that's it. So we're done with the script, and you will see what it will do, and it looks cool. There you go, that's what it does. And or click to break. So basically what the code means is, what the code is saying is that we will put the GUI on any object in the workspace that is in this breakables folder. If, for example, if you copy it, if we make another OR, we can call it like diamond OR and make it blue. There you go, diamond OR. Since it's in the breakables folder, it works. But if we drag it in the actual workspace, it will not work because it's not in the breakables folder. If you put it back, it will work. So that's how it works. Pretty simple. So that's the script for the Adorny GUI. Now what we'll script is we'll script the tool. Now the tool, it takes a really long time to code because it's a pretty big code. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give the code to you guys because it's pretty hard and long and kinda boring to code, because we're not boring, but it's pretty hard, and it's also pretty big code. We're not too big, but like maybe like 40 lines or so. So what we need right now is we need a pickaxe. We need a pickaxe. I'm gonna use that one. It looks pretty sick. It looks really good. Shout out to the guy that made it. But yeah, I will be using this for this video. Because the video will be very, very long if I just model everything myself. Also, just a quick disclaimer, guys. DevHawk will make a tutorial on how to make these assets that I use in this video. So if you go to his channel, he is a builder, so he will make a tutorial, for example, how to make a pickaxe. So if you want to model the pickaxe yourself, go to DevHawk's channel, alright? And also subscribe while you're at it. Put the pickaxe inside the starter pack. And let me just copy the code and just show you how it works. Actually, we'll need two things. We'll need the code and the settings folder. Boom, I'm gonna paste them inside the pickaxe. So that's the code right here. Also change, instead of destructible here, change breakable. Breakables. Actually, we'll have to change some stuff. So here we'll have to do mouse.target .parent.name equals to breakables. Yeah, that's it. That is pretty much it. Yeah, that's it. So now, so we have the code. I'm gonna give it to you in the description, of course, don't worry. But this settings, what about the settings folder that we inserted? Well, that's basically the configuration of the tool. So the animation speed, the attack speed, and the damage. Now since it's a iron pickaxe, I'm gonna name it iron pickaxe, and I'm gonna do the damage to 3. So like the stone will be 2 and the wooden will be 1, right? So that's gonna be the code. Don't worry, it's in the description, just get it. And to insert in the game, go to toolbox, go to this section, my models, and you should see it. Where all your models are. So yeah, last thing we need to do is we need to put some values inside of our coal or iron ore. So the first thing that we need to put is number value, which is going to be the amount of, for example, iron you want to earn when you break it. I'm gonna do like about 5. Next, we need the health. I'm gonna do 10. And we need the max health. And we also need the respawn time. I'm gonna do 3. Next, well that's it actually, and we will also need we also have to make the bar of the health. So yeah, I'm gonna make a quick bar. So billboard GUI, and then text label. Rename the billboard GUI to health GUI. Also add in a frame, which is going to be called background. Just like this. And then in the background add in another frame called bar. Also the text label should be in the background frame. Sorry. So this is going to be 40. This is going to be 300. Actually 20 or maybe 30. Yeah. Always on top. And the size is going to be 1, comma, minus 10, 1, minus 10, 0, comma, 5, comma, 0, comma, 5 for the position, and then color will be 50, 50, 50, and then for the border color, gonna be black maybe, that looks cool. And the size going to be 1, 0, 1, 0, and background color is going to be red. Nice. And this is going to be the health text. We'll call it health text. Background transparency to 1, size to 1, 0, 1, 0. And you can customize the text however you want, however you desire. I do not need to put like 10 on 10 HP, that's just an overview. It's just gonna automatically put the health and stuff anyways. It's just gonna set up everything. For example, if your health is like 100 and the health text says 10 on 10, don't worry, it's gonna set up itself. So that's all. That's all we need. And now, let's also put a local script instead of the health text. Let's call it the GUI or GUI setup. Actually, this is going to be the GUI setup. So let's do local health is equal to script parent with child health, and the max health, just copy the line, and instead of health do max health. And now all we have to do is do a loop. So while wait do actually, to kind of optimize your game, it is good to put 0.1 instead of 0 or nothing. So yeah, right here we can do 0.1 because it's gonna optimize your game. As because loops, basically if you do like this, it's gonna check every pretty much millisecond, and it just kinda, if you have a lot of loops inside your game, it's gonna get lag a little bit. So yeah, I recommend doing that. So what we do, script.parent with child bar dot size is equal to uint2 dot new health the value slash max health the value encoding slash basically means divided, if you didn't know. So health the value divided by max health the value, comma 1 comma 0. And then also script.parent.text is equal to health the value 2 dots slash inside of these two speech marks, 2 dots again max health the value, 2 dots again speech marks HP, and a space right here. What does that mean, you probably saying? Well, we're setting the text of the health to the amount of health, so like 10, right? And 2 dots means we're adding something to the text, so 10, and we're adding the slash, right? So we're adding the slash, then we're adding the max health dot value, so 10 slash 10, and then we're also adding space HP. That's all it is. That's so simple. So yeah, that's it. So now, it should work. So like if we actually go to breakables and all, and then health, if you change it, I don't think it works when you do it on the client. So let's try on the server. Okay, seems like it's not working. It is going to work in the future, don't worry. Don't worry. So now, what we can do, oh yeah, we need to change some stuff here. So let's do mouse the target. So let's start here. If mouse target dot parent dot name equals breakables, mouse the target dot parent find first child. Just do mouse the target find first child, just like this. Oh, okay, I forgot to do 0 here. I forgot to do 0. Wait, there we go. It's gonna work now. Well, I think we're good actually. Now, I think there's a leader stats already. Yep, player, yeah. So, master target name. So yeah, that's all I changed. You can pause the video and copy what I changed. And that's here and here. So yeah, and now it's time to make the leader stats. Very simple again to make. I also forgot to do max assessment. There you go. So let's make the leader stats. I want to do something to make it look a little better, or like the bar make it look a little better. Yeah, that looks sick. Can even do that if you want to. I don't know if you guys prefer like this or like this. Personally, I'm gonna do. Hard to choose. I'm gonna do that. So let's make the leader stats. So insert the script inside the subscript service and call it leader stats. And now let's do local function leader stats player. Local leader stats is equals to instance.new folder inside the player. Leader stats.name equals leader stats. To be honest with you guys, I legit every day I do a leader stat script. So like I'm so fast at typing it, it's incredibly wow. So I'm gonna call it iron actually, because so basically guys, what's happening here is the name of your mesh or needs to be the same as the name of you'll see later. Number value inside the latest stats. So basically, here it says iron, right? And it needs to be the same name, the exact same name as the mesh. If it's like a capital or lowercase I, it's not gonna work. It needs to be the exact same. So yeah, I think we should be good. Let me check. Index no with value. No, I don't want to make changes. Okay, so this line help text GUI dot s. Oh, okay. So mouse a target. There you go. That's like this. Sorry. I think should be good now. Let's check. Oh, forgot something again. I'm very dumb. I am very idiot. Yep, I forgot that. There you go, should be working now. Hopefully. There we go, as you can see. Boom, 4, 1, and etc. Now, as you see, the Adorni GUI is a little bit annoying. So to fix that, we need to change the studs offset to -1, even -2 actually we can, but and the Adorni GUI, I'm actually gonna make it maybe smaller. Let's see how it looks like this. Okay, maybe not smaller, but higher. Yes. There we go. Put it back. There you go. So yeah, it works as you can see, guys. Boom, 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 boom. Now, why does it do that? Pretty simple. Because I forgot something. I forgot to do the game.players.player edit connect to leader stats inside of the leader stats script, of course. And it will work now. You will see. Because I'm a dumbass. Yeah. Never mind. Okay, wait. Mount. Okay. Let's see. So if the target find first try health dot value is smaller or equal to 0. Okay. Oh. Well, here we need to say so in the leader stats we actually don't need a leader stats folder, so delete that and do player here. So yeah, that's it. That is all it is, and now it work probably. Imagine it doesn't. Okay, there we go, it did. So yeah, it worked. Let's see if it did give us iron. Yep, it did. 7. And now I don't know if it actually respawns. I don't think we did the code to make it respawn. So let's see. Let me think about it. I have an idea. So if you go in the script here, instead of mouse target destroy, we can do mouse target parent equal to game get service replicate storage wait for child storage. And when you do that, insert a folder inside the replicate storage. Call if storage or like storage or like breakables storage. Just like this. And then wait and do and then do wait mouse dot target find first child respawn time dot value, and then the mouse dot target dot parent is equal to game dot workspace wait for child breakables. That is all it is. There we go, and it should respawn. Oh, well, there is an error. Value. Okay. If mouse dot target find first child respawn time And nope. Strange. I have an idea. What's the target if I first try to respawn? Time. And then I was about to type respawn time, not time. Oh, no errors. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, what the heck? What? I can select the base plate? Huh. What the heck? What? This is a weird bug. Why can't I select the base plate? Oh, the base plate is in the... What the... Strange. Let's do and mouse dot target dot name isn't equal to base plate and mouse etc. Should be fixed now. It's kind of weird how the base plate was in the breakables folder. Oh, it did go in the... This is weird. Oh. Okay. Okay, we have encountered a weird bug. I don't know if that word was English, but it's fine. Okay. I have an idea. We do not need to do this at all. Basically what we'll do right now is add in a script inside of the iron and call it destroy. Or respawn, sorry. And we need to do while wait do if script.parent.health is smaller or equal to 0, then script.parent is equal to game get service replicate storage with shots breakable storage wait script.parent dot respawn time.value script.parent equals game.workspace with shard breakables. We should be good. And it shouldn't bug the base plate too, so that's cool. Oh well. Attempt to compare instance number. Oh, I'm an idiot. Okay, wait. Also, let's do wait shell so it actually waits for it. And it's more optimized for the game. Well, didn't really work. Why is it not checking? Like legit, just this is super weird. Cause I actually checked for it. Like I did a loop and I checked if the health was 0 or not, and why? Okay guys, we run into an issue. A weird issue. Let's just to test it out, I'm just gonna put the damage to 10. Why not? Maybe it should be a low. Oh, maybe it should be a local script. Who knows? Local script into the. It should work. I don't. Okay, no. I have maybe an idea. I don't know if that's gonna work, but I just want to try. No, it does not. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do something that is impossible for it to like not work. I'm gonna put a local script inside the GUI. I'm gonna do destroy breakables. There's no way it doesn't work now. There we go. I knew it was gonna. Holy. I know why it does that. Oh, don't worry. There you go. Fixed. Alright, the issue is fixed, guys. No, oh, okay. Easy fix too. Should be working. Nice. We're good. That's the code, by the way. So now, I wanna test everything with like 5 damage. So the next thing we will add, guys, is yep, it's fixed. That's kind of cool. So the next thing we will add, guys, is in the starter GUI we'll add a Screen GUI. Call it sidebar. Call it sidebar. It's gonna be a frame. Like it's gonna be a frame looking like this. and background transparency to 1. Call this sidebar 2 or sidebar frame, and we can add in the text label. Put it here. Background color, we'll make a nice blue, or maybe like a iron color. Something like that, I guess. And then UI corner. Yep. And then UI stroke. And then UI stroke again. Frame inside of it. I'm just gonna customize it, guys. I think that's kind of cool. I think it looks good like this. I'm gonna call this the iron counter. You can even make another straight issue of 1, but that is your choice. Personally, I think it looks really cool when there's two outlines. When it looks like this, basically, and I think it looks really cool. See, looks really good. So we'll do that. We will do this. So now just inside. So in the local script inside of the iron counter, just the text label. Add in a variable. So local player equals game.player local player, and while we do player script dot parent dot text is equal to let's just say iron here. There you go. Script dot parent dot name script we're a player, we're child. Let's even do find first child. Script dot parent dot name. So make sure the iron text label has the same name as the stat of your player. So iron with a capital I. So it will search for the name, and it will, So yeah. So now we can test. We can actually make a test. As you can see, I just got 5. I cannot talk right now. So yeah, I just got 5. Boom, I just got 10. Right, I got 5 again, but it's completely random, by the way. Just got 4. And then now I will get, I got 3 now, or 4, sorry, I'm bad at counting. And then I just got 6, right. And you can basically farm. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of the episode 2 of this new survival game series. I hope you're enjoying it so far. And yeah, again, don't forget to subscribe and check out my boy's channel, Deathhawk, link in the description. So yeah, see you.